Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable dark mode on your Android device to reduce eye strain and save battery, follow these step-by-step instructions to activate this feature. Step 1. Open your Android phone's Settings app by tapping the gear icon in your app drawer or pulling down the notification shade and tapping the Settings icon. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Display or Display and Brightness, depending on your Android version and device manufacturer. Step 3. Look for the Dark Theme, Dark Mode, or Night Mode option in the Display Settings menu. Step 4. Toggle the switch to enable dark mode. Your device interface will immediately change to dark colors with white or light text. Step 5. Schedule automatic dark mode by tapping Turn on automatically or Schedule if you want it to activate at specific times like sunset to sunrise. Step 6. Customize dark mode settings if available on your device, including choosing between different dark mode intensities or color schemes. Step 7. Enable dark mode for individual apps by opening each app's settings menu and looking for theme or appearance options to activate their dark mode independently. Step 8. Adjust additional display settings like brightness and blue light filter to further reduce eye strain when using your device in low light conditions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.